In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Atmosphere AI in Luminar Neo. First things first, we need to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. Simply find the program icon and double-click to open it up, which will bring you right into the powerful photo editor's interface where all the magic happens. Once Luminar Neo is open, your next step is to select an image you'd like to enhance. Head over to the Catalog tab. Here you can choose an image from the list displayed, or, if the image is stored elsewhere on your computer, click on Add Photos. This will allow you to navigate through your files and select the perfect picture to work with. Now let's move to the Edit module, where you'll have access to all editing functions Luminar provides. Now that you're in the editing area, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the Creative section. Here, you'll locate the Atmosphere AI tool, one of the remarkable features of Luminar Neo. The Atmosphere AI tool allows you to create stunning environmental effects, adding layers of depth and interest to your photos. To add these atmospheric effects, start by selecting a mode from the Mode drop-down menu within the Atmosphere AI tool. You'll find different options here, such as fog, mist, layered fog, and haze. Choosing the right mode is crucial. Fog and mist options will generally blanket most of the frame with their ethereal appearance, enveloping both the foreground and background. Conversely, if you opt for layered fog or haze, these typically target the lower third of the image, providing a subtler enhancement. With your mode selected, it's time to dive into customization. There are several sliders available to help fine-tune the effect to suit your vision. The first slider, Amount, controls the intensity of the chosen effect. If you want the fog or haze to be particularly prominent, slide it to the right to increase its effect. Next, there's the Depth slider. This is an exciting tool that adjusts how close or distant the atmospheric effect appears in relation to the viewer. By moving the slider to the right, you pull the haze into the foreground, creating a more immersive experience. Lastly, don't forget the Lightness slider, which helps in adjusting the brightness or tone of the effect. If you're in pursuit of a darker, more dramatic ambiance, reduce this slider for a more subdued result. Once satisfied with your atmospheric enhancements, you can proceed with other edits within Luminar Neo, or go ahead and export your final, beautifully enriched image. Whether you're aiming to evoke a sense of wonder, or simply add a touch of realism to your photo, Atmosphere AI in Luminar Neo is a fantastic tool to achieve stunning results. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.